This is Riley. And this is Nick. And Nick is eating cucumbers, right? And then we'll go look at Ryan. Okay, do you want to see what's going on here? Let's see. Oh, here. I know what we can do. Oh, we can't do that. See?
She's baby. Here. Want to take a picture of the baby?
Okay, let's go take a picture. Oops. You here?
Here. Oh, she has the cover to your iPad. I was thinking.
Do you want to do anything special for the movie? Hey! Hey! And there's Lucy. I'll put it. Hey, Lucy, come on.
Let's go outside for a minute.
Up.
Go ahead.
Go, Lucy.
Riley, she's
Come on, Lucy.
afraid of you.
Okay. You're good.
Oh, they forgot their tape measure.
Lucky. Lucky's on the bag. And here we are back with the star of the show, Nick. Okay, guys, let's watch a movie. Nick, come and watch. Nick? Nikki, we're going to watch a movie. Nikki, come on. You want to see the movie? Nikki? I know. Do you want to come and watch the movie? See? You want to see the movie? Let's go see it. Come on. Everybody. Woo! Oh, careful. Careful. Come on, Nick. Nikki, come on. Thank you. Come on, let's go watch a movie. Come on, Nikki. Bring the bottle. We'll go bowling. Good, come on.